Hey everyone, it's Jillian Michaels, and let's talk belly fat. We all know it's the most stubborn kind of fat. You diet, you exercise, and yet, those love handles just won't quit. We've all been told spot reduction is a myth, that you can't target fat loss. But guess what? New research suggests we might have been wrong all along. So if you're ready to finally win the war on belly fat, stick around because I'm going to break down the science, the studies, and give you the workout plan to make it happen. Let's go! For years, the common wisdom in the fitness world has been that you can't target fat loss. The idea is that when you lose weight, it comes off from all over your body, and you have no control over which areas slim down first. This has led many to believe that spot reduction or targeting fat loss in specific areas is a myth. You've heard it a million times from fitness gurus to your friends at the gym. You can't outrun a bad diet, they say. This means that no matter how much you exercise, if you're not eating right, you won't see the results you want. And abs are made in the kitchen, not the gym. This phrase emphasizes the importance of nutrition in achieving a toned midsection. And for the most part, that's true. A balanced diet is crucial for overall health and fitness. When you lose weight, your body decides where the fat comes off, not you. This can be frustrating for those who have stubborn areas of fat that seem resistant to diet and exercise. But recent research suggests that we might be able to influence this process, particularly when it comes to belly fat. Scientists are discovering that certain exercises and lifestyle changes can help target this stubborn area. Now, I'm not saying you can do a few crunches and magically erase years of bad eating habits. It's not that simple. But there's growing evidence that combining specific exercises with a healthy lifestyle can actually help you target that stubborn belly fat. This means incorporating a mix of cardio, strength training, and core exercises into your routine. So, how does this work? How can you strategically target belly fat while improving your overall fitness? Well, it all comes down to understanding the science behind fat loss and how different types of exercise can impact specific areas of your body. By focusing on exercises that engage your core and combining them with a balanced diet, you can start to see changes. Let's dive into the details. We'll explore the best exercises, dietary tips, and lifestyle changes that can help you achieve your goals. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to effectively targeting belly fat and transforming your body. We all have fat. It's essential for our bodies to function. Fat provides energy, protects our organs, and supports cell growth. However, not all fat is created equal. But belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is particularly dangerous. Unlike subcutaneous fat, which lies just under the skin, visceral fat is stored deep inside the abdomen. This type of fat sits deep inside your abdomen, surrounding your vital organs. It wraps around your liver, pancreas, and intestines, making it more harmful than fat stored elsewhere. It's not just about how your genes fit, it's a serious health risk linked to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. Visceral fat releases inflammatory markers and hormones that can disrupt your body's normal functioning. One of the reasons belly fat is so stubborn is due to poor blood flow in the abdominal area. This reduced blood flow means that fewer fatty acids are transported away from the belly to be burned as energy. Blood flow is essential for transporting the fatty acids that are released during exercise. When blood flow is restricted, it becomes much harder for the body to access and burn these fat stores. Less blood flow means less access to those fat stores, making it harder to burn them off. This is why belly fat can be so persistent, even with regular exercise and a healthy diet. This is where targeted exercise comes in. By focusing on specific areas, you can increase blood flow and potentially stimulate the fat-burning process in those stubborn regions. By increasing blood flow to specific areas, we can potentially stimulate the fat-burning process in those areas. Combining targeted exercises with a balanced diet and overall fitness routine can help you tackle stubborn belly fat more effectively. The theory behind spot reduction is based on the idea that you can increase blood flow and therefore fat mobilization from areas you are working. This concept has been popularized in fitness circles, often leading people to believe that by focusing on specific exercises they can reduce fat in targeted areas of their body. Think about it like this. When you work a muscle, you increase blood flow to that muscle. This increased blood flow is essential for delivering the oxygen and nutrients that muscles need to perform optimally. It also helps in the removal of metabolic waste products, which can enhance recovery and performance. This increased blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients to the working muscles, allowing them to perform better and recover faster. Additionally, the enhanced circulation can potentially aid in the mobilization of fat stores in the targeted area, making it easier for the body to use that fat as fuel. Similarly, when you target a specific area with exercise, you increase blood flow to that area, potentially enhancing the breakdown of fat cells. However, it's important to note that while this theory sounds promising, scientific evidence supporting spot reduction is limited and often contradictory. Now, this doesn't mean you can completely reshape your body through exercise alone. While targeted exercises can help tone and strengthen specific muscles, they are not a magic solution for fat loss in those areas. A comprehensive approach that includes a balanced diet, regular cardiovascular exercise, and strength training is essential for overall fat loss and body composition improvement. Genetics, hormones, and overall body composition all play a role. These factors can influence where your body stores and loses fat, making it challenging to achieve spot reduction through exercise alone. Consulting with fitness and nutrition professionals can provide personalized guidance to help you reach your goals more effectively. But by incorporating targeted exercises into your routine, you can potentially influence where your body preferentially burns fat. While spot reduction may not be entirely achievable, focusing on overall fitness and health will lead to better results in the long run. Remember, consistency and a holistic approach are key to achieving your fitness goals. Chapter 4. Key Study Details. A groundbreaking 2023 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research investigated the effects of targeted exercise on belly fat. Researchers divided participants into two groups. One group performed a combination of abdominal exercises and cardio, while the other group only did cardio. The study lasted for 12 weeks, and the participants' body composition was measured at the beginning and end of the study. The results were surprising. The group that combined abdominal exercises with cardio lost significantly more belly fat than the group that only did cardio. This suggests that targeted exercise, specifically combining ab work with cardio, can indeed lead to greater reductions in belly fat. Chapter 5. Other Supporting Studies. This 2023 study isn't an anomaly. Other studies have shown similar results. A 2017 study found that spot reduction was possible with resistance training. Participants who performed leg exercises 3 times a week for 12 weeks lost more fat in their legs compared to those who did upper body workouts. Another study in 2021 showed that combining resistance training with high-intensity interval training or HIIT led to greater reductions in abdominal fat compared to HIIT alone. These findings further support the idea that targeted exercise, particularly when combined with cardio or HIIT, can help you lose fat in specific areas. Chapter 6. Takeaways for workouts. So what does this mean for your workouts? The key takeaway is that combining ab exercises with cardio is a smart strategy for increasing the chances of spot reduction. Don't just rely on crunches. Incorporate exercises that engage your entire core, such as planks, Russian twists, and leg raises. Remember, we're aiming for increased blood flow to the abdominal area, and these exercises do just that. And don't forget about cardio. Cardio is crucial for burning calories and creating an overall calorie deficit, which is essential for fat loss. Now, before you get too excited and start planning your six-pack ab workout marathon, let's talk about diet. You can't exercise your way out of a bad diet. What you eat is the most crucial factor in reducing belly fat. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen, and your workouts will be much more effective when combined with a healthy diet. Ready to put this knowledge into action? Here's a sample workout routine you can follow. Start with 10 to 15 minutes of cardio like jogging or jumping jacks to warm up your body and increase blood flow. Then, move on to your AB exercises. Choose 3 to 4 exercises and perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps each. Focus on proper form and engage your core throughout each exercise. After your ab workout, finish with another 20 to 30 minutes of cardio. You can adjust the intensity and duration of your workouts based on your fitness level. Remember to listen to your body and gradually increase the intensity over time. Now, it's important to acknowledge that while the research on spot reduction is promising, it's not a magic bullet. Some experts remain skeptical, arguing that the amount of fat loss from targeted exercise is minimal. They emphasize that overall calorie deficit and genetics play a much larger role in determining where you lose fat. And they're not entirely wrong. Genetics do play a role, and you can't completely change your body shape through exercise alone. However, the research on spot reduction does suggest that we have some influence over where we lose fat, and that's empowering. So, what's the bottom line? While you can't completely control where your body loses fat, you're not powerless either. By incorporating targeted exercises like those we discussed, alongside a healthy diet and consistent exercise routine, you can increase your chances of losing belly fat. Remember, consistency is key. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. It takes time and effort to change your body composition. Stay dedicated, stay consistent, and you will see results. And for more tips, workout routines, and personalized guidance, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're here to support you every step of the way. So, there you have it. The truth about spot reduction, the latest research, and a plan to finally target that stubborn belly fat. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Don't let anyone tell you what your body can or cannot do. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, insights, and personalized guidance that will help you reach your fitness goals faster than ever. Let's tackle this together.